Hey guys, welcome back to WP Event Manager. In this video, we're gonna talk about how we can export our events using Exports Event add-on from the front-end side. In our previous video, I showed you how to install and activate the plugin or the add-on, and I also showed you how to export the events from the backend side. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can export the events by default or using custom parameters from the front-end side. For this to happen, we need to visit our event dashboard first. From here, we can see the new button over here appearing just above the add event button saying download event CSV file. And if we click this button, we will see a modal that's saying event CSV default or event CSV custom. We are improving this UI design very shortly. That will be available via automated update to your website. And as of now, let's continue the demonstration. So event CSV default, if we click this, it will go ahead and download a CSV file for us. This file will be same format as we took a look in our previous video from the backend side. So let's open that. So as you see, we have all the same details as we saw before: our cancelled event, our feature tag, our edit log. So this tag is over here for admin only. Event expiry date, event online or not, event location, and event pin code, event banner, registration email, and event video URL, event start date over here, event start time, event end date, event end time, and event deadline. Then we have our event organizer ID, event venue ID. Then we have our event Zoom ID. So if you're binded a meeting to the event using Zoom add-on, they will be visible over here. Event view count, our ticket details. So we have paid ticket, free ticket, and donation ticket. They will be included over here as well. Event ticket details, so it's paid or not. Our registration limit for the event, our geolocation data. So this all are geolocation data over here available via our Google Maps add-on, of course. And then we have our WP old slug, but you do not need to worry about that as of now. Let's go ahead. So then we have our event recurrence data. So these all are the event recurrence field. As you can see, we have installed a bunch of add-ons before in this website, and they are being included in this format as well. So that means when you have installed any add-on to extend the functionalities of WP Event Manager, you can expect them to show up in this exported CSV file as well. So this file over here is basically identical to the one we saw before in our backend. And basic difference between exporting events from the front end and from the backend side: organizers don't have access to the backend side. So that's pretty simple. So organizers can export their events as well, so as the admin from the backend. Admins can export all the events available in the website, while organizers can export only their events, right? And next we have the event CSV custom. So this allows us to define what fields we want to export and what field we don't, right? So let's check this, and we will see an accordion dropping down. So in here, we will be able to select some optional fields that we want to export and that we don't want to export. So let's check this one. Let's check this one. So that means we want to export these two fields for sure. Let's check this one as well, but we are leaving out the event location and event viewed field. So this will export only these fields over here that we have already selected, and it will leave the rest behind, right? So let's click on this button and we will see what I have just talked about in our Excel program. As you can see, before we had all the meta fields, all the details regarding our event, either its core event or extended using our add-ons. But now all we have is our event title, our event description, event start date, and event end date. So only 4 fields that we have selected over here. So if we selected these two over here as well, they would appear in the CSV file. But you might ask, Sharat, what's the point of this when we don't find all the other informations? So this is a quick way to export the event. Suppose you want to just get a list of the event title or events you have with event location and event date. You can use this format over here to generate that CSV file. So this is the quick way to export events from the front end side. Being that said, I'm Sharat signing off. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.